Remove.
Say here.
You're going to keep my camera steady.
I think these are sectional. These are like just bolted together. These sectional rails.
Yeah, that's all the welded rail. It's a quarter-mile strip something. When I was working at tractor farm on a railroad, you ought to see the way it looked like spaghetti. Yeah. What they did was we were tearing all the road crossings out before so they could track that. And what they do is they have a train when they make that stuff, the welded rail. They pull a train, get the whole train in the building, and they put the welded rails that make it welded and rollers like this, and they get a train like that. They would jam it, they would pull up and they pick a petticoat. Scrap the rail, they went on the end. The train pulled over and pulled forward so that train dropped. And then you go back spaghetti. And then it's great. And that's rail game. They're going to play this with me. Yeah, they got some old. They got one. They got 45. See the 45 one? 630. Yeah, it's 630.
630.
What? The yard down there?
Yeah.
All the rail trains are sitting down there. They said once you do that.
Hey, you want to see something?
Actual concrete ties.
CSX. You know, that's actually the line that chased like the general happened on. Yeah. That's what the order train does. Some was built, all by hand. Yeah. Right over there is the original right-of-way on track.
Table, car! The pharmacist that I worked with yesterday, he was calling one man to make he was guessing it's probably early on my head. Yeah, I was like, table, my great grandfather used to work out there. I know those things are all original things. Norfolk Southern.
They may run these when
Why
they
do
go
they have ballpark for them?
Yeah, it's got to be their main line.
That's one.
Oh, dude. How many?
One from here to Lumberville is $8. Yeah. It takes you over. I think it's like you're on the train for like
You don't want to know what's coming.
and you get off, walk around the shop,
Look.
get back on the train.
Yeah, you don't want to look at it in a second. It is coming in. Went to a race in Talladega.
No. You don't go too long with it.
Atlanta. We went to it was built in 74. They had trains for a sale.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yes!
Yeah, these standards, and one goes out of Andover, Tennessee. That's called this deal. And it takes the Hiawassee to the fall.
Takes the Hiawassee to the fall.
Yeah.
They call it Hiawassee.
Yeah. stand up side next to the big one.
Yeah, that's what I
He
was.
showed me pictures of that. He's like, man,
I've got pictures at home.
Man, when they get that thing
Grab it
restored,
way out in the park. Yeah.
I've seen it compared to the other
Yeah, I mean, you know, the top of the wheel is like way up here. Yeah.
they were like 70-inch drivers.
Yeah, way big. I mean, we went
You know what they're gonna come up on the phone?
Yeah, we got. Is that the one they're going to restore? The one that's in the park? They're going to pull back?
4014 is the one that was gone. I know they had to transport it away.
You know, the one in Cheyenne, they just play different like cars. Yeah. The main line over. They come back and go down, you know, get it in the park and then they go track back.
So that big, it's gonna be hard pressed to live in.
You know, the one they got that it's all me and they got in there. They, when they did that, they had to go right down.
Yeah.
And they had to go the night before they did it. Right
I've never been out here with it in the tunnel.
traffic light.
Yeah, don't see your head
inside car.
I've seen how close we were.
You got about that much on.
Not even.
So that they had to try.
Mix them two.
At least we weren't that close to the tunnel. I'm not even
Whatever you do, don't hang out on the sides. They were like a foot clear. Yeah.
I don't think there's that much, is there?
It's less than a foot. Actually.
I don't think there was but 4 or 5 inches inside this tunnel.
I'm one of those that has just kind of drug my feet across it.
have a washroom over here. Wait, now it's safe to stick out?
We got up there when there was still snow on the ground.
Yeah.
Well, realistically, it's never safe to stick it out.
Yeah. Unless it's
You want to go through a bunch of get on it.
You not taking video, Jason?
it's
I'll send you a copy of mine.
The parkway up there. Parkway. They keep going up, and you go to another tunnel, then you go to another tunnel, 1 mile to another tunnel. And then I think they're that long. Some of them fairly short. Through the parkway is come up, walk, get out.
this is fun right here.
So instead of coming back to the railway, we just got a parkway.
Drop the phone.
You know, make it alley, got off the It's so high, we actually start the bottom. We got the top of the wall. I mean, it was like, foggy there.
I've been on the incline railway and it's just out. And when you got stopped, like at the bottom, it felt like we were all wearing
Yeah.
Well, the thing is, down here,
Why are we slowing down?
it's the chew unit bone.
Yeah.
and you can't get warm.
I'll tell you, when I come back from Kuwait, You know, I was used to 120 degrees
Well,
during
always
that
fun
night.
days.
It's
We're coming into the
151
shop.
degrees, the hottest I've ever seen it. We
Yeah.
landed
Front
day
end is.
before Thanksgiving, like when I got home.
So after
2
this,
days
the
prior to
trains
this,
from
when I
come
landed
here.
back in the country to go
Got
through the
trounced.
briefing and all that.
Leave and it'll come around.
We got to the Indianapolis airport. And I'm waiting to go to the
Split off.
waiting on the bus to the USO, so I set all my bags down, everything. Go walking toward the door, that door opens, that blast of cold air hit me, and I just yeah, froze.
I bet. Oh, we can just buy that to go get on the other one.
Yeah.
Get right.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. This is get on the other one.
This right here is an hour round trip.
So we're getting off right over here,
We can.
and then we're gonna have to wait.
Just no time.
Feel like
to
it's
do that.
spun around, yeah.
Look at that big old prime mover sitting right there.
Maybe.
You ever notice it says stolen from TVRL?
You gotta take the engine off.
Yeah.
The engine will be here.
What's the story behind that?
Beats me.
That right there was the main part of the museum. So we're gonna get off and wait until they spin it around.
If you're on.
Dude, they make 501.
I think I'm gonna stay.
It's awesome, isn't it?
National Medal of Honor Museum.
I think it
Archival Center.
501.
Yeah, my boss is working overtime today. Turned overtime.
Stopping ice cream.
Good fit off. So.
Yeah, let's go back in. You know,
Right.
I really work well.
Right over in this building right here is where we did all the sheet metal work.
Yeah.
This building right back here.
Whoa.
Where we did all the sheet metal work at. Yeah.
Start right in one of these two corners.
See, Amelia's only scheduled 3 12-hour days a week.
Okay.
But
Hey, Jesse.
like the other day,
Yeah.
her shift was supposed to be 12 hours. She ended up working 9 hours.
Oh, wow.
No, not 9 hours. She worked 19 hours total.
Okay, okay.
Or 7 hours total.
Yeah. Oh, my gosh.
While they turn the locomotive on and walk in the shop.
Yeah.
I guess you can't have a You know they should have somewhere.